If you've ever opened your trading platform, stared at the hundreds of blinking stocks, and thought, what the hell am I supposed to trade today? This video will save you years of frustration and thousands of dollars. But here's the brutal truth no one tells beginning traders. Most day traders lose because they're trading the wrong stocks. My name is Kevin Lloyd from Market Pro Trading, and I've been trading the markets for over 20 years, and I've seen it all. Bull markets, bear markets, and the one thing that never changes is seeing traders making the same mistakes over and over again. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how professional traders narrow down the entire market down to a short, high quality trading list every single day, without guessing, without hype, and without information overload. Let's talk about the real issue. Most traders fail before they even place a trade. They wake up, open their scanner, and see 200 moving stocks, 50 Reddit alerts, a YouTube guru yelling, "This stock is going to explode." And suddenly, paralysis kicks in. They have no process, no structure, no probability. You're not trading then, you're guessing. And guessing is the fastest way to blow up an account. Professional traders don't ask, what stock can I trade? They ask, which stocks deserve my attention today? That shift changes everything because not all stocks are tradable, even if they're moving. Rule number one, if institutions aren't trading it, then you shouldn't be either. You want stocks with a catalyst to put the stock in play. You want high relative volume, clean order flow. Why do you want this? Because liquidity from high RVOL gives you reliable fills, predictable price behavior, and lower risk of slippage. This is the first filter we teach inside Market Pro Trading. If a stock cannot move cleanly, it doesn't make the list, period. Stocks just don't move randomly. They move because of a catalyst, like earnings, news announcements, sector momentum, even technical breakouts from key levels. If a stock is moving and you can't explain why, that's not an opportunity, that's danger. At Market Pro Education, we drill this into every trader. Price without context is noise. Context creates conviction. Now, here's a mistake most beginners make. They chase the stock that's moving the most. Professionals, we chase the cleanest structure. You want stocks with clear support and resistance levels, strong multi-time frame trend alignment, simple repeatable setups. If you can't explain the setup in one sentence, you don't understand it well enough to risk money on it. Inside Market Pro Coaching, we don't allow random trades. Every stock must fit a defined playbook. And now this might shock you. Most consistently profitable traders, they trade 1 to 3 stocks a day. That's it. Why? Because mastery beats variety. When you watch the same patterns, the same tickers, same sectors, you start to recognize behavior, not just charts. This is how traders stop guessing and start anticipating. Let's talk scanners. Scanners don't make you profitable. The rules you put into them do. But if you don't know what you're filtering for, then your scanner can end up feeding you worthless information. At Market Pro Trading, we use scanners as confirmation tools, not decision makers. Here's what a professional daily scan process looks like. We scan for liquidity, identify catalysts, narrow it down to clean structure. We align with the market conditions, we build a short watch list, and then we wait for setups. No chasing, no guessing, no emotion. This is the exact scan, plan, execute, and review framework we teach in our Market Pro Trading education and coaching programs. Most traders, you guys think you need a better indicator or a faster entry, maybe even a larger trading account. But what you really need is a better stock selection. Picking the right stocks, it's everything. This process makes your strategies work, it reduces emotional mistakes, and it protects your capital. Bad stock selection, these stocks behave irrationally. They force you to be perfect entering the trade and with your exit. Good stocks, they forgive mistakes because they do what you predict them to do and they keep on doing it. So if you're tired of not knowing what stock to trade, second guessing every entry, jumping from strategy to strategy, you need a real proven process. That's exactly what we provide to traders at Market Pro Trading. Whether you're brand new at trading or struggling to get consistent, we teach you how to scan the markets with purpose, how to build a professional high odds watch list, how to trade with confidence instead of emotion. Start learning how real professional traders pick their stocks and stop chasing these crappy pumped up stocks. Consistent traders don't chase every trade. They wait for high odds, high probability setups. They trade the right stocks the right way every day. Picking the right stocks every day isn't a fluke. It's an acquired skill, one that you can learn with the right coaching, and Market Pro Trading can help. That's the result of a real process. The difference between guessing and trading with intent. When you stop winging it, everything changes. Your decisions, they get clearer, your risks get tighter, your confidence shows up. So if you're tired of feeling frustrated, tired of losing money, tired of wondering whether you're even cut out to be a day trader, it's time to stop guessing and start building your real edge. At Market Pro Trading, you get access to our complete trading education and coaching systems built around one thing: our proven trading process. And if you're ready to accelerate your trading, apply for Market Pro coaching and work directly with me to shorten the learning curve and eliminate those unnecessary and costly mistakes. Because the market doesn't reward guessing, it rewards preparation. If you don't have a defined edge, remember this: someone else does, and they're using it against you. The choice is simple. Click below to get started at Market Pro Trading and let's build your edge the right way. I'm Kevin Lloyd from Market Pro Trading, and I'll see you in the next video.